Hello friends, if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. If subscribed, check the bell, as well as put likes and comment a lot and distribute our video. Toyota Land Cruiser 300 received a sports body kit from the Japanese tuner MC Speed. The Toyota Land Cruiser Series 300 has only been on sale for a few months, but has already caught the attention of tuners from all over the world. After the option from Arctic Trucks and sports body kits from Metalista and Liberty Walk, the Japanese tuning studio MC Speed showed its version of the body kit. MC Speed offers a full range of visual modifications, sold under the exclusive Zeus Love line, that make the LC300 look sportier and meaner. Up front there is a new grille without the Toyota badge that looks different, as well as a different bumper with more air intakes, a more aggressive lower end, and DRLs that also double as turn signals. The wheel arch extensions with integrated decorative air intakes can be ordered in body color, matte black or with carbon fiber style wrap. The side steps are more pronounced than on the standard version. At the rear, MC Speed added a small spoiler at the base of the rear window and a diffuser-like bumper cover with additional LED brake lights and optional quad tailpipes trimmed in carbon or stainless steel. The show car also received a two-tone paint job with a black hood, roof, pillars and trunk, as well as a set of 6-spoke wheels. MC Speed didn't touch the mechanics of the Land Cruiser. This means that under the hood can be either a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 petrol with 415 horsepower or a 3.3-liter turbo diesel with 309 horsepower. In both cases, power is sent to all four wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission. The MC Speed full body kit is priced at $2,900 if you order it unpainted and goes up to $4,200 for a painted set. On this, I say goodbye to you. Click on the bell and like.